So I started out just kind of being like, well, I gotta do something in college. And so I decided to go into physical therapy, did that for a year, and then decided to go into PE teaching for some reason. And about a week and a half into that is when I got the call with some information about an audio engineering program. And I was like, I can't do this anymore. It was kind of my hobby, and I saw it as that and didn't see like how it could actually become a career. Yeah, I didn't realize that until more recently, I guess. And then when I did find out, I was like, okay, I gotta check into this a little bit more. The way that I learn, it's almost like I need someone to just kind of directly show me how they work, exactly what they do. And so getting like that nice base structure put in really helped me build up from there. And now I can watch, the YouTube videos and actually understand, okay, I can apply this to this and understand that will work well. But yeah, before then I was just kind of flying in with a blind eye, trying to apply all these tips and tricks to my music, and it wouldn't work because it's all circumstantial, really. So my mentor, actually how it ended up happening was I was talking to him one day. So I asked him, is there anything that I can help you guys out with after I'm done with my program? Is there any opportunities there? And he was like, actually, about that, I'm resigning at the end of this program, and so I'm going to recommend you as my replacement. And so he didn't hire me per se, but he kind of, through the externship, he was able to kind of see my work and how I did. And so a long form interview almost. And then the owner of the studio was the one that hired me. I think definitely meeting your mentor halfway or even 3/4 of the way, really putting in that extra mile just to learn and understand the concepts, make it easier for them, because that'll make you more attractive for them to either recommend to another studio or to the studio that you're at. Engaging in all the content that is put forth by the Recording Connection, and looking into things you're unsure of. Don't just kind of brush them off. Really get to know your material and get to know it well. Get to know your studio, get to know all of the analog and digital gear that you have, and get to know Pro Tools, because that's huge in the music industry.